Hi everyone. I know this is a little late in the game, but I want to make sure that you all are able to find my feedback that I've given on your rough drafts. So to do that, go into grades and find the assignment. Now I'm in a test student kind of template here, and so it looks like I have a whole lot of missing assignments. You will not show all of those missing, but you're going to go down and find the assignment that you're looking for. So here it is on the rough draft peer review. So you can either find my feedback in one of two ways. You can go over here to the far right little word bubble and you can open up there. And this is what I've done. I have recorded my feedback. So you can press right here and it will play my comments to you. Or another way you could find it is just simply by clicking on the title of the assignment, and it will open up the assignment. And there again is a little recording of my feedback. Please listen to my feedback and let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks.